So if you can see, I've added the stitching line, and the chain is there, but we need to put the ziplock. So to do that, what I will do is we'll go into the shaded view, and here what I'm going to do is I'll put a picture over here of the ziplock, and like suppose we have this, so I'm just going to put it like this. And one thing we're going to make sure, so this is on the red layer, and I can do it on the this one. I will erase this one, so I'm going to the current layer, and when you go to the current layer, this checkbox should be on, so then you know you are on the current layer. So I'm going to lock this. I don't want to move this, and we're going to start working on this one. So the first thing that I will do here is I'll take my control point curve, and I'll make this line, and then I'll select this, and in my command menu I'll just type in mirror. Try this again to be more specific. So I'll go for mirror, and I can go over here, click shift to have a straight line, and now I can use adjust curve blend. So here in the menu bar, so here I'll go to blend curve, adjustable curve blend. So I'll click here and click here, and here I can click shift on one of the points and move this symmetrically. Click shift and move this symmetrically like this, and click OK. So once this is done, I'll just select this and select this and shift it inside like this. Maybe we can select this and shift this inside as well. And here I'll just put a straight line. So this is a straight line, and I'll click all of this, box selected, and control J for joining it. So the join command, here two curves joined into one close curve. So this is what I want, and I want a straight line here in the center. So just have something like this. Click enter. Okay, and I'm going to trace this as well. So in a similar fashion, so first thing, take the control point curve and just make a straight line like this. Click enter, and here in the command menu, type mirror and select this, right click, select the center, and in the similar fashion, this time we are not going to use adjustable curve blend. We are going to use for this side, I'm going to use, in the blend curve, I'll use arc blend. So I'll select this part and select this part. So I get something like this. Click enter. And here I'm going to use adjustable curve blend. So I'll right click, adjustable curve blend, select this, and So I'm gonna select shift select this point and move it like this and click OK. And then we are going to have the circle. So I'll take the diameter, select this, and here I'll take the ellipse. So basically this is how you trace it. Okay. Now I do not need so much of this, so I'm going to hide this right now, and I just need this portion. So here I'll take this one and in my surface I'm going to uh, use the planar curve, and here I will just put this in the perspective. Let's see, like this, and just give this a height. Okay, now there are few things that I want to remove from here. So the first thing is I'll do control shift. Now if I select all of this, everything is going to be selected. So if I do control shift, only a part of this is going to be selected. So I'm going to remove this portion. I will probably remove the bottom surface as well, so, because we don't need this. So we just need this front portion. And I do have a line here. So this is the line. I'll push this up and select this one. So I have pushed the line up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rounded rectangle and click over here around curve like this and just give it a angle like this. Now we can change the angle of this since I want it in a vertical direction. So before that I will remove certain lines that I don't want. So maybe I do not want to see this one, and I do not want one more line. So just remove this one, and yeah, so only this much I want, and I'll remove this as well, and I'm going to select only this, and do Control J, and I'm going to rotate this like this. Now just select this one, go to surface, extrude curve and straight. So basically click Alt. We want just a little surface like this, which is on the top. And I'll just select this, and maybe I'm going to rotate this like this. Here you can add thickness, so I can go to my properties panel, go to this thickness, go to on, and I'll increase the thickness to 1, click OK. So I've added some thickness here. Okay. Now to the other part, just move this on the side, and this one first I'm going to join it. So I'm selecting this portion and Control V, and use the same thing. So I'll use the and increase the thickness a bit like this. Now I'm going to select this one and select this one, and we are going to use in the surface extrude curve straight. Since it's both sides, that's what I want. And I can cap this. So just type in cap, click enter. So, and cap this as well. Select this, click enter. So we have this, and now I can go for the boolean. So in the boolean difference, so we select the surface, click enter, the edge, click enter. So we get a shape like this. Now we can easily take this and push it here. Maybe push it a little inside, maybe up, like this. You can give an edge to this as well. So I'll just select this one and I can give thickness to this. So click on and give this one. This is what, and here also this as well, and select this as well, this surface, and give this edge thickness like that. This one, just use the gumball and make this a little thinner and push it inside like this. So you can see from the top view, just select this, push it like this. So this is how you make the Ziplock, and you just need to now scale it and put it on the zip end. So I'm gonna select this and I'll go to scale 3D and click somewhere here. Shift click somewhere here, and I can make this smaller. Okay, and since this is going to be the metal color, so I will go over to the properties panel, go over here to the object and give this the metal color, the color of the metal, and I will take this and we can revolve it like probably like this. Let's see. And select this. Yeah. Like this. Okay. Now we can just select this area and select this one and go over here and isolate the selected object. Okay, and I want the zip to be here, so I'll just select this one and move this So select, you have to click once on the object and click once over here. And we can adjust the size of this here as well. So first I'll just take this, push it up a little and move this out like this. And then make this a little smaller like this. And you can do the adjustment accordingly. Just move it like this and probably rotate this one here and just need to So we have the zip attached and I can bring everything in and we can see this in the uh, rendered view. So here inside we have two pockets, one on this side and one on this edge. And if you would be noticing, this is not there. So basically I must have hidden some of the lines. So the purple line I want, this I definitely want, and the red definitely yes. So I've locked it, so I can just now delete this one and delete. We don't want this as well. Okay, so in the next video we are going to just make the handle, and I'm sure you can make the front pocket of both the sides like we have done from inside, so outside would be much more easier. So in the similar fashion you do that, and in the next video we're going to make the handle and do the rendering.